If your Toshiba portable air conditioner suddenly stops cooling, won't respond to buttons, or shows flashing error lights, a reset is often the quickest fix. Power interruptions, minor software glitches, and control panel freezes can all cause temporary issues that a simple reset can clear. The easiest reset method is a full power cycle. Turn the unit off completely, unplug it from the wall outlet, and wait at least 10 to 30 seconds. Some models benefit from waiting up to a full minute to allow internal components to fully discharge. Then plug it back in and power it on. This reboots the internal control board and often restores normal function. Some Toshiba models also include a reset option on the remote or inside the access panel. If available, press and hold the reset button for a few seconds until the unit restarts. Before resetting, check the basics. Make sure the outlet is working and the breaker hasn't tripped. Inspect and clean the air filter since clogged filters commonly cause poor cooling. Confirm the unit is set to cool mode and that the temperature is set lower than the room temperature. After resetting, monitor performance. The unit should start smoothly and blow noticeably cold air. If cooling problems continue, the issue may involve refrigerant levels or internal components, which require professional service.